game today. Ooh. To relax, chill, or medium hard. Let's do relax first. Okay. Time for the in changing. Ooh. He. No. I will figure. Come on. Are you serious? Look at that. Very sassy. This is not making me relaxing. This is making me so stressed out. This is not relaxing. See that? See that scream? Oh, is that a man? really cool. I think so. This is not relaxing. This is stressful. This is stressful. Tomorrow might be bad, but soon I will become totally pro in this hobby. Do you like these elements? Like ASMR. It's like maybe if I just do this, yeah, and then I go this. Look at me. See, I figured out. Wait, let's do a different song. What is a song? I like so calming songs. Guys, sorry guys, I cannot break it to you, but I like calming songs, not pop songs. Sorry guys. Either it's romantic or jazz or R&B. It's kind of mixed right now, but I do not care. Oh my gosh! Gosh, they look like. Click, click, click. Click, 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 click. Why is it not clicking? Click, click. Click, click, click. Click, click. Boba. Boba, boba. It's boba. I'm gonna drink boba. Never mind. I will crash. Yeah. On my way. And I can hear it so hard. And like sorry and so hard. Oh my goodness. How long is that? This is why I'm afraid of heights. Oh baby, hard to make you smile. When there's no one around, or to make you smile. Oh, so hard. Yay! No! Look at me! I get to relax. So satisfying. Wait, I like ASMR. Wait, let me try. Ooh, baby. It's kind of satisfying. Satisfying anyway. What will be my next one? I will do chill. Oh, yikes. Will I make it, guys? Hope so, because I am a beginner ABS. Yes. I haven't played Abby for a very long time now. So this is not gonna be super pro. Super pro. See, I'm not super pro. I'm not super pro. Like, I haven't played Abby for years. But today, we will improve our beautiful Abby skills. I like ASMR. Don't judge me. Excuse me, don't judge me that I like ASMR. Don't judge me, please, I like all ASMRs except... Yeah. I like all different types of ASMR. But, do I also do eating ASMR? Only a little. It kind of depends if I'm too happy or something. My sister likes ASMR too, but not really. But not really though. Ooh, what is that? Let me try that. ASMR. Yeah. Can you make that sound? Can you make it in my... Don't lie to me. I like ASMR very that. I like ASMRs. Don't bully me. That's not funny. Don't bully me. Don't bully me. Oh, what is this? Oh, mm, I like that. An elevator. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. If you are tall, this would be a very bad experience for you. Just saying. Not trying to be so rude. But if you were on this abbey, maybe it will. Am I scared? Am I scared of horror movies? No. Boop, 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 boop. It's checkpoint. What? Wee! Sing Mama way. Mama way. Easy man. Oh, I like this. Oh. They will become totally parawa. Good. If a bunny, what if a bunny dies? If a bunny dies, I don't care. Well, unless it's my pet though. Why am I talking about random stuff? Let me just mind my own business like nothing totally happens in my whole life of a study. My goodness. Oh, that's fine. Oh, yes, I love the leaf part. Don't judge me, guys, but I really like SMR. Eating SMR, eating SMR. Yes, eating SMR. Do not judge me, boy. But clearly, I do really like eating SMR just a little bit. Kind of depends how they chew their eating styles. And maybe I like it. Kind of depends how they eat to make it SMR like, you know? Wait. Okay, now we are back in the abbey. Yeah. I'm new too. This is my first time making abbeys. No, anyways. Oh, they move. I didn't expected that. imagine if I was there. Oh, oh, this is like hard, 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 hard. Well, too sad for me, Bo. I am not ready for these. Oh, this is like new to me. Well, good luck for me, I guess, cause this is like hard according to the game. I mean, it's a little bit medium so far. Okay. Yay! Oh, oh. This is making me sweat like crazy. Oh, there's a person. Hello, I'm Miku Kid O and Naz. So if you're wondering why I haven't uploaded for a while now, it's because my sister was because my sister was grounded today. So we didn't have any devices. So I get involved to the grounded thingy. You know? So actually giving me some instead of doing but it's actually serious that yeah, I got involved in the grounded thingy today. It's not really going well so far. Hello, I'm Miku and Naz. It's really you are the 8th kid that should be doing the abyss right now. They're probably leaving. Hope not. And yeah, but don't worry. We gonna have a story time content gonna come right now tomorrow, but won't tell you which one because why not? It's not really a Dino Kid announcement, but God, I suck at this. Come on. Oh, I did it. Is that really a Dino Kids announcement? I only do it if it's really important, I guess. But we're gonna upload a story time, so don't miss a video we're missing. Okay? Don't miss a content. Bye. Oh, I thought I was gonna fall. Okay. And you know, so good about this. Yeah. Let me continue my singing business. my business. What? What? Oh yeah. Don't make me fall, please. Whew. That scared me. This is like a tower, It's not really the same as a regular abbey. Whoa, I heard someone coming. Anyways, yeah. So, as I was saying, I'm doing my business my business is so interesting and indicated in Insta. I'm doing my business. My business. So in the hills alone, and the shadow carry on. The stars are known like. Ooh. Okay, so oh my gosh, come on. Why is it not working? Come on. Why is it not working? I'm leaving. I am leaving. I give up. I give up. I wanna make myself die. Make myself die. No. I wanna leave.